Customers who haven't got to try tofu, I'll send them a free dish of tofu to the table, and they usually come back and order it again and again. I guarantee you, there's a soy for everyone out there.
Hawker's is just one American eatery that is helping customers fall in love with soy.
Soy provides us with a breadth of products that offer a little bit more adventure and a little bit different flavor profiles that we can combine with more traditional proteins for a more comprehensive dish.
It actually elevates the flavors of all the other things that are in that dish.
Chefs in the US and beyond enjoy working with soy and are experimenting with new ways to use it.
I don't think there is any single ingredient in the world at this point of time which can cut across all these categories. I think it almost one product, multiple versions and multiple usages. It's fabulous.
Soy is prized for its versatility, and it has a place in every diet.
I think people are willing to embrace newer cuisines, newer dishes, and newer ingredients. It's not just important just to eat healthy. I think it's the surrounding factors. I think they are conscious about it. Conscious, mindful, healthy eating.
Whether you're a longtime soy lover or new to the soy scene, seek out soy foods on local menus and sprinkle it into your own home kitchen.